Assalamualaikum and a very good day to semua hadir. We are from class BA232 So today we will be presenting about the strategic management project as we choose a top glove company as for our studies. My name is Nooni Binti Alias. Today I would like to talk about the mission and vision of the top glove company. For the mission of the top glove company is to ensuring safe human protection globally. Through its comprehensive approach to health and safety, this mission reflects the company commitment to producing a high quality, reliable glove that provide essential protection for healthcare professionals, industrial workers and also consumer in worldwide. By maintaining its strength quality control measure and adhering to international standard, Top Glove ensure that its product offer maximum protection against infection, hazardous materials and other potential risks that happen in Malaysia. For the vision of the Top Glove is, Top Glove vision is to be a world-class partner in glove and healthcare product, as it explain the ambition as to excel as a trusted global leader in the healthcare industry by emphasizing partnership, and also company aims to collaborate closely with its stakeholders, including customer and also healthcare provider and supplier, as to deliver innovative, high quality glove and also healthcare solution.
My name is Nur Nalisa Shafika binti Magdalim. So continue with me, which is SWOT analysis. So next, continue with my part, which is SWOT analysis. So in SWOT analysis, I choose three the best from the from internal factor and also external factor. For internal factor, we go to strength first, which is first employee training and development. By providing the employee training and development, which is they join training programs, it can enhance worker skills and knowledge, boosting productivity and also quality. Second is brand building. By growing a top glove, they must improve a customer service, marketing, and also reputation management. And the lastly is third, which is innovation and R&D. Top Glove invests in research and development to enhance their production techniques and also innovate the new materials. Next is weaknesses. Same with strength, I also choose three in weaknesses, the best from weaknesses. First is about labor issue. Top Glove have a labor issue, which is labor incentive sector may experience the issues such as labor disputes, which increase and workers shortage. Second is currency exchange risk. Currency exchange rate fluctuation could have an impact on Top Glove profitability, particularly if the company operates in many countries. And the third one is competition. Strong competition in the Top Glove sector may put pressure on price and also their profits. Okay, next we continue with external factor, which is opportunities. First, I choose healthcare demands because increasing global healthcare spending, the emphasis on hygiene, drive demand for glove, creating substantial and growth opportunities. Second is sustainable practice. Adopting eco-friendly materials and sustainable manufacture practice not only improve their reputation but also attracts the environmentally customers aligned with growing sustainability trends. And lastly is emerging markets. Expansion into emerging markets with rising healthcare standards presents significant avenue for revenue growth and also market diversification. And lastly, for external factor is threat. First is competition with other companies or competitors which is the material use, the innovation, and also the strategic ways to improve the products. So next is the rate of unemployment is increased or higher because the top glove and nowadays decrease the human workforce into their workplace. And lastly is misconduct on the work ethics. US brands ban the top glove company for enter their market as US Customs and Border Protection find out about unethical work conducts by top glove to their workers.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sita Esha. So I will continue with my part, which is the internal external metrics. This figure it shows the IET metric for the top glove company. A portfolio management tool called the internal external metric is used to compare divisions within an organization based on revenue and profit margin as percentage of the score obtained from the internal factor evaluation IFE and external factor evaluation EFE matrix. So based from the internal external metric of top glove company, the IFE total weighted score from the x-axis is 2.5 and EFE total weighted score from the y-axis is 2.83. This total weighted score indicate that top glove company is on average as it is fall on the region to hold and maintain, which is the VSEL of the IE matrix. Even though the top glove company is on average, but this company is still on declining. The intersection is on the right point in the figure shown. Related to that, top glove must take on the best step and implement the better strategies to enhance their businesses. Next, for the strategy formulation is market penetration. Firstly, expand the market penetration for top glove company, but not in the large scales or aggressively. Recently, in 2020 and 2021, due to the oversupply of the gloves after the pandemic of COVID-19 and the later action toward the top glove as from the forced labor issues, top glove must know how to penetrate their market and balance back to the operations. The operation and the branch can be expanded in Malaysia, but in the normal scales, as the current supply-demand is imbalanced and not strong enough. The market will take some time to recover as the excess of the gloves. And then enter the market deeply or penetrate market further with the more alright considerations that must be taken toward the procedure and policy in the company. As with the responsible business culture, top glove can recover the loss of their profits and their brands. Furthermore, strengthening the good corporate governance by maintaining and achieve the ISO, which is the International Organization for Standardization, to gain trust from the clients and staff. For the second strategy is product development. Top glove already have 9 research and development centers (R&D) in Malaysia and Thailand, but it still needs to enhance their products for developments. The product development needs to consider the elements such as the material use, prioritize the customer needs or preference, and the trends of markets. The impacts to the environment, social and governance must be considered for the business sustainability. The compliance to the Department of Environment, DOE standards and ISO being maintained for the business integrity. Next, the value proposition is also important in the process of the product development, as what makes the glove from this company is different from the other companies. Top glove must emphasize the key elements to make their products differ, enhance their operations, and at the same time is prioritize their employees' rights. In addition, the team of the product development also needs to analyze the market research. In the concept of development, the product needs to have a trial and error sessions and also have a testing method for their products before launch it to the market. Lastly, top glove need to enhance more of their process in the business such as use the automation system and machineries for the product developments, and also lower their hiring of workers for fast and more efficient in the business. As in the advancement of the technologies, the automation and digitalizations helps a lot for the marketing and sales.
Next are top glove sport metric. We have suggested a new strategies using combination of SO strategies, which is combination of strength and opportunity, W strategy, which is combinations of weakness and opportunity, ST strategies, the combination with strength and threat, and lastly, W strategy, which is the combinations of weakness and threat. The first strategy, which is the SO strategy for top glove marketing. This marketing strategy is the combination of strength 5 and opportunity 1. The strategy will be to capitalize on top glove status as the world leading glove manufacturers by leveraging increasing global healthcare spending and hygiene emphasis. Develop targeted marketing campaigns highlighting the importance of glove quality and reliability in healthcare settings, emphasizing top glove diverse product range and strong distribution network. Second is the WO strategy for top glove operations. This operation strategy is the combinations of opportunity 3 and weakness 7. The strategy will be to embrace sustainable manufacturing practices to address environmental concerns associated with glove productions, invest in research and development to innovate eco-friendly materials and production methods, aligning with global trends towards sustainability. This strategy not only mitigates environmental risks but also enhances brand reputations and meets evolving regulatory standards. Third is the ST strategy for top glove financial. This financial strategy is the combinations of strength 8 and threat 6. The strategy will be to enhance financial stability by diversifying currency risk management strategies, implement hedging techniques or financial derivative to mitigate the impact of currency fluctuations on revenue. This strategy ensures top glove maintains consistent profit margins despite volatile exchange rates. Last but not least is the WT strategy for top glove management. This management strategy is the combinations of weakness 5 and threat 3. This strategy will be to implement proactive management strategy to mitigate the impact of labor disputes and compliance costs exacerbated by higher unemployment rates. Focus on fostering strong labor relations through transparent communications and fair wage policy, while also optimizing operational efficiencies to manage compliance expenses effectively.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis Shakira binti Razali. I'm going to continue this presentation with qualitative strategic planning matrix, which is QSPM. Based on the data and calculation given in the report, we choose 3 best strategies for top glove. These 3 best strategies come with the highest sum of attractiveness score. First, we have 7.0. Second, we have 6.44. Third one, we have 6.02. First and foremost, with the top highest of attractiveness score, which is 7.0, this strategy focuses on addressing environmental by embracing sustainability manufacturing practice. This is also include in investing in research and development for eco-friendly material to be used in production of top glove. Moving into the second highest attractiveness score, which is 6.44, this strategy involved in creating target market campaign to highlight glove quality and reliability, mostly in healthcare. The third one, coming with the score of 6.02, it aims to labor disputes and compliance costs by improving labor relation and operational efficiency.
So next, I will explain about the conclusion based on the top glove company that we have made. The top glove strategies to achieve its long-term goals and enhance company processes, particularly in the face of pandemic and digital information, is crucial for them to sustaining its leadership in the global market. Moreover, top glove average strengths suggest a good profitability of maintaining its stability and business success. This is by strategically enhancing their scores through continuous improvement, initiative, and also innovation in product development, and proactive in risk management. So that's all from us. Thank you.